my buddy Dale. I'll tag his Instagram below. He drives a 2018 Camaro SS1LE, and you got a couple bolt-ons done to it. You can let him know what you got done to it.
Yeah, it's just headers, intake, E85, just small stuff and tune.
Yeah. You said it makes like 500-ish?
Yeah, a little over 500.
Nice. So solid in a car, and those are lighter weight too, right?
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, they're like around 36.
Okay. Yeah, see, this is 37 without me in it. But we are on E85 currently, and we're going to go for a quick little reaction video, just so he can kind of feel the new setup and whatnot, and see what he thinks. He rode in the car before, when it was still making that 600 range or whatever. I guess that was like 2-3 years ago now.
That was a while ago.
He felt it kind of how it was, and now he gets to feel how it is in its final state.
Be exciting.
Yeah. So do you want to start with like a third or a second gear? Because second gear I have to pedal it, so like it's driver mod stuff, and third gear I can just kind of send it.
Start with third.
Okay.
In Mexico.
That's right, we're out in Mexico.
I like these seats.
Yeah, they're nice. I love them. They do get a little hard on your lower back on like longer trips. I have started to see that, but they're not like terrible. Here's your first cop.
Oh, nice.
Like, so just keep going, don't turn around, gotta send it. Ready? I forgot I can no lift shift. I didn't even do that.
That thing's badass.
Once the RPMs really spin up right at the top, all of a sudden it's like, oh shit!
Yeah.
It's like that sensation of pulling like a bow and arrow back,
yeah.
like building that tension.
That thing's badass. It just keeps on going and going and going.
Yeah. You notice it's a completely different like sound too, right?
Oh yeah.
Because I'm running the H pipe now.
When you took off when we were leaving, and I was behind you, I was like, geez, that thing's loud.
Yeah. No, it's crazy because it's deceiving. Like just sitting there on idle, like it's definitely more pronounced with the attacks than the S types ever were. But like it's still mellow. Just like right now we're just having a conversation.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't fucking matter. But like when I crack it, it's like holy shit. Behind the car, it's a different sound.
Yeah, dude, that's a base model vet.
Ready? Do a little second gear. Fucking iPad just went flying.
Oh, yeah. I thought I seen
gear
something.
was actually pretty good, considering.
Oh, yeah.
It was spinning.
Oh yeah, it spun a little bit.
It actually hooked up pretty damn good. I'm impressed. Fuck, that's fast.
That is fast. Feels a lot better than when I was last in here.
Yeah. I mean, it was fast then, but like this is just like
Oh yeah.
pretty fucking stupid. Well, that's the thing though. That's what I'm telling you. Is like my fifth gear doesn't feel like it slows down. That's the weird. Like that's the stupidest part. Is it still has like
More to go.
forward fucking momentum. And it's not like where it's just like, okay, we're still kind of getting there. It's like, you're going. It's stupid. Yeah. I guess I have to do it at this point now that I've talked it up.
Yeah. Now you just gotta find a road to do it on.
Yeah.
They're staring at us like, what in the world?
Well, I'm sure they are. That's a pretty good amount of space, right?
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Oh yeah, it keeps on pulling.
It doesn't, like, it's still there. Surprisingly, you're like, it shouldn't be there, but it fucking is. God damn, that's fucking fast.
It is fast.
Oh my god. This car's fun.
It is fun. So what'd you say that you did with your blow-off valve?
So the blow-off valve's the same. I removed the wastegate. So what happens is you run a wastegate on the intercooler piping, and at 10 psi, it would bleed off the extra boost. So I didn't change the pulley at all. And the only difference is now that we got rid of the wastegate, it like makes the boost up top. That it's always wanted to. So before it was overspinning it, so you got more oomph down low. But then like top end, you wouldn't make any more power. You would just make the same for like, you know, a longer time frame, I guess. So overall consensus.
Speechless.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm okay with that.
It's up there.
Yeah, I think the setup's pretty.
It surprised me.
What's crazy is I still haven't been able to rev it out to 8,000 RPM.
Yeah.
There's still another 400 RPM I can play with there. Because I'm shifting about 75, because it's like, I gotta time it right, because it's so quick. I mean, I don't want to hit the limiter. To think I can fucking still go more. It's like, oh my god, dude. So there you have it, guys. Camaro owner. I think I got a seal of approval there.
Yeah. For a Mustang. It's not bad.
Brotherly rivalry, right? So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely hit the like button if you did. Check out Dale's Instagram. It's a clean car for sure. And he's got some cool stuff in the works that I'm excited to see. Maybe we'll have to do like a review video at some point too. That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, I'm down.
So if you guys are new to the channel, definitely hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more content like this. And that's going to do it. So peace out. We'll catch you in the next one.